Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on PlayStation 5. First, navigate to the PlayStation Store on your console and search for Genshin Impact. The game is free to download and typically requires around 300 gigabytes of storage space. Once downloaded, launch the game and either log in with your existing HoYoverse account or create a brand new one. Remember to link your PlayStation Network account to your HoYoverse account to enable seamless cross-save progression across all your devices. Mastering the controls on your PlayStation 5 is key to enjoying Teyvat. The left stick moves your character, while the right stick controls the camera, giving you a full view of the stunning landscapes. You'll use the X button to jump and the square button for basic attacks. Your elemental skill is mapped to the triangle button, and your powerful elemental burst is on the circle button. Dive into the expansive open world, tackle exciting quests, and gather valuable resources to strengthen your team. Combat in Genshin Impact is dynamic and strategic. You'll assemble a team of 4 characters, each possessing distinct elemental powers. During battles, quickly swap between your characters using the directional pad to unleash their skills. The core of combat lies in triggering elemental reactions by combining different elements, which can deal massive damage. Continuously upgrade your characters' levels, enhance their weapons, and equip powerful artifacts to maximize your team's potential. To progress effectively, focus on completing your daily commissions, which offer consistent rewards. Challenge the spiral abyss for even greater riches and test your team's strength. Keep an eye out for limited-time events. These often provide unique items, characters, and a generous amount of primogems. Increasing your adventure rank is crucial, as it unlocks new story quests, areas, and game mechanics, allowing you to delve deeper into the captivating world of Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.